we got the Civic mirrors going down. So first thing you want to do is grab your E36 mirror and just cut the whole little arm, whole little mirror off the base plate. That's what you want to do first. After you get it so far, you can just kind of snap it off like that. And then take all your hardware out. Goddamn. Take all your hardware out. Fucking pull all this bullshit back. After you get your mirror off, you have your base plate, right? Now, go get your grinder and go grind this down. Pretty much make it as flat as you can in terms of like that, you know? You want to get that flat. So, get your grinding wheel. This one's fucking, it's only got so much life left in it, but it'll work for what we gotta do. All right, after you get it all shaved nice and flat, like that, easiest way to do this will just be grab the other one. I'm gonna go, like, you know, a little bit to the right of there, and a little bit under there. So I will post you guys up, and I'll do that. I'll be right back. Got it in here. I gotta kind of eyeball the other hole so I can drill the other hole like accordingly. All right, once you've drilled your first hole, it'll be much easier to kind of eyeball out your second hole. I'll be looking from like the inside, not the inside, but like between this crack, just to kind of see where I need to drill it. And both times, second hole there, I can't remember which one was second, but I drilled this one second. God damn, I just can't see. I drilled that one second, and pretty much fits perfect. And yeah, screw them together. Only two of them, and then you know you only got your two E36 holes now. But these things are pretty sturdy. And then yeah, you can either cut your wire all the way off, tuck it, or if yours aren't powered, you're fine. But I'm just gonna tuck it all the way in there and put the foam piece back over and all that shit. You know, it's in there. Maybe I won't do that. It looks retarded. But all done. I'm a little messy, but put them on the car and I'll get a little flick for y'all. Or a little video, actually. Now we're here in the car. So this is how they mount up. They use two of the OEM BMW holes. Same, you know, because it's the BMW base plate. It's just when you cut that one side off, it takes away one of the holes. But base plate, OEM and everything, it's nice. You know, these only have that little bit of movement they have because this ABS plastic is so thin. But they fucking It's on there. Check out this side. It's on there. Fuck yeah. And yeah, like 2 and you're good. And yeah, just keep them little weather seals between this and that. That way you don't get nothing in there. And you're good. Good little $40 mod. I ain't mad at it at all.